Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another live stream. I don't know why I'm so aggressive. I shouldn't be so aggressive on the stickers. Um, we are so back, as you can see. I'm still alive. Haters, I'm still alive. I'm just sorry to say that, but you couldn't make it. Still living, still breathing, still in the game, still grinding. You know how it is. Welcome everybody. Hello F77777. How many sevens? If you put like seven sevens in your name, that would be more impressive. Anyways, just as easy. Hey, welcome, Transistor. Are you here or not? Just tell me in advance so that I can make jokes about having no moderator versus having moderator. But I think you're here. How's it going, man? Alaikum assalam. I'm just chilling. Trianox. We are actually no, I'm not chilling. I'm about to grind so hard in the stream. You won't believe your eyes. But it's just another Friday, so yeah. How are you going with life? It's going. It's going. That's all that matters. I am just a rat. Yeah. Okay. So what are we gonna do today? I'm just gonna jump right into it. I have some ideas, and it's gonna be fun. I hope I'm not gonna do some boring maintenance backlog type shit in the stream. So I'm hoping that's gonna be fun. But let's see. The grind is the ritual. Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm gonna actually pin your message because that's just the facts right there. But yeah. Wait a second. I'm about to memory in your Wi-Fi router in your smart light switch. That's kind of scary. You know that, right? Just like kind of scary. But I guess thank you. Yesterday I bought a new Ethernet cable. I think you're inside that thing too. Okay, interesting story. I bought one of these. What is this called? Multiplier. Is this a thing like Ethernet cable multiplier? You just plug your Ethernet cable and just like multiplies it, and you can just like plug more internet. It's an amazing thing. So yeah, like you just plug one and you get like two. I was like, okay, this should be a scam. There's no way there's such a device, but actually there's a device. Yeah, it works. Right now I'm on that internet. I just like, yeah, it works. It's like water hose. Well, so let's say I have 100 megabits internet. If I just plug that in and just split it into two, do I get like 50? Or like, do I get like 100? I'm still confused about that. But anyways, Ratatui, guys. The best library in the whole world is just here, man. I'm just gonna do some commit in that today. Hopefully. Inshallah. We'll see. We'll see. So, the idea for today is work on the templates, because in my previous public appearance, I realized we can improve the template. We can more specifically have more templates. Also, yeah, just fix some parts of the template. So that's what I'm gonna do here. First of all, let me check here. What is this? Component template. Okay, I'm not gonna touch this. I don't know much about the component template. I know it, but like it's just out of my focus today. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna bring back the old templates. Yes. Also, I'm gonna fix the current ones. Let's just go ahead and take a look at what we have today. In case you're asking, the easiest way of creating a Ratatouille project is to just run this command in your terminal. Wait, templates. Yeah, so I'm basically improving that user experience today, because I realized, yes, we can improve it. It could be better. Yeah. Hello, Ali Mert Erdoğan. Thank you, man. Teşekkürler. Let me just speak Turkish for my Turkish audience, man. For once, you know. And when I learn Polish, I'm just gonna speak Polish, because why not? So yeah, we have 3 templates as of now. Simple, actually 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have simple async, hello world, component, and we have some generated versions of those. Let me actually check what we have in the just file. Generates all. Okay. I guess today I'm just gonna start with fixing the simple one. First of all, what is this character, bro? It's not like great. You see this? Like you see this character over here? That's not the correct one. I'm just gonna actually fix that real quick. That's not looking great. My terminal OCD is being triggered right now. Yeah, there you go. Fixed. You see, like, attention and detail. I'm just trying to, like, do some proper work here, okay? The Unicode. Alright, we fixed that. That's cool. So I'm gonna actually check out the new branch. Maybe, first of all, let me just pull the changes. Alright, we have a hello world template as the last commit. It's been a long time since that, though. Come on. Okay, 3 months ago. Alright, we have lots of things to do here. So yeah, Ratatui simple template. The simple template will create the following project structure, source app, and main. Design choices. Design choices. We have a small abstract that has a main loop that calls methods to handle events and draw the UI. The app can be quit. What is this grammar, bro? The app can be quit. I don't know, it sounds weird to me. Quitted? What is the third version of past tense of quit? Quit. Past tense. Okay, English 101. Come on. Quit, quitted. Verb 3. Okay, just quit. Okay, then this makes sense. For some reason, it sounds weird to me though. The app can be quit by pressing any of Q, escape, Control C. We use color air. I still don't know the correct pronunciation of this library. Like, they should put like a what is this? The pronunciation alphabet called? I don't know. Does anybody know what I mean? Yeah, that thing. You just gotta like put that thing over here. For people like me who's not able to pronounce it. Here's that need to be reported to the console. Alright, that should be good enough. So new, refactor, revamp, simple, template. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and do some like docs, simple, revamp, the simple templates, readme md, or maybe something like this. All right. How do we generate toml? What is Vim illuminate? We just got a random ass error from Vim illuminate. I don't even know what that is. Highlighting other uses of the word. Well, why did I get an error? I'm just gonna start it, cause why not? I don't like its name. What did you say? What are you saying, Tranox? What does that mean? Service you have generated by the simple template. I think this is good. Let me actually commit. Amend that commit. Alright, going back here. Alright, now this is where the actual stuff happens. CI. I don't want to touch this, to be honest. Well, let's see. I was curious about the color air pronounced too. Oh, okay, that's how it is being pronounced. Color air. Color air. Okay. Yeah, okay. Color air. I'm just gonna say air. I guess they wanted to make a wordplay or something for saying error, but like it's hard. It's hard. Alright, I think this is good. This is in good shape. The panda bot. It's also okay to me. Let's go to the code. Of course, it has failed because it's a template. Entry point of the application. I'm just gonna add this very obvious comment here because like I'm thinking if you're a Rust beginner you might be asking what is this thing doing, right? So yeah, what is color air install is doing? Let's see. RS. Oh, okay, I cannot type today. Setup, no, install. Let's see what this is doing. Install default panic and error report hooks. So install the panic handler. Run the application. I mean, these are very obvious, but I just want to like keep it very clear. Maybe the intended name is already taken. Okay, let me actually check. Color air. I think this was from Air RS. I think this is like on purpose. Because air, color air. Damn, they're like they're like more airs than I was aware of. Damn. Okay. Public archive. Wait a minute. What is this? Why? What? Did they just change the name of the... Yeah, they just changed the name. Okay, I was worried for a second because we heavily depend on this. So yeah, okay. Alright, gonna go ahead and... the main application state. The main application struct, which holds the state and the logic of the application. I guess that's fine. Okay, construct a new instance. Run the application's main loop. I remember there was some outdated docs here and just want to like update them primarily. These ones are just outdated now. Yep. These examples are now application examples. We gotta point the users to the widget examples. So yeah, let's just do that. Alright, fixed. Reuse the cross terminals updates the state of the app. Alright. Everything's cool here. Alright. Docs, simple. Add more comments and fix links. Alright, that should be good. And then I'm gonna lastly generate simple to generate this template. Let's see what has changed here. Why did cargo tumble just changed? What? Did you just add these without even asking me? What is this? Okay, generated. Okay, I'm not gonna touch that. Let's run the simple generated. So this is how it looks like when you use this template. Somebody just mentioned me in a post on LinkedIn. Alright, I guess, thank you. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Alright, let me... Oh, I didn't mean to update the... Yeah. Now I'm the owner of the generated template, but anyways. Short, simple. Generate the simple template. Alright, create a PR now. You're ready. Push it to my own branch. Revamp the simple template. Alright, that should be good. Let's just submit it. Alright. Going back to main. I have another issue that I'm a bit curious about. So now we have the simple, right? But we also have the simple async. But the simple async template is an entirely different structure than the simple template. So I don't like that. I guess, yeah, we gotta change that to a similar structure. Here's the thing. Back then we had a template which uses channels, right? And simple async is using that here. So it's using channels. Let me just show you here. Yeah, you can see that it's like using multiple consumer multiple producer single consumer channels. And this was actually the simple template back then. But we changed the simple template, but we didn't update the simple async one. So now we have two different approaches. So I don't like that. I'm just gonna add a new one here. I'm gonna call it... Let me actually find the exact commit which changed that. I think it was in here somewhere. Pick simple, okay. Simplify simple template. Yeah, this one was the one we changed it. Simple generated. So it just basically removed everything, right? Oh my god, what is going on? What? Okay. For some reason GitHub was just glitching the F out. Well, we should be good now. Alright, UI. How do I even like... Okay, I need this source. How do I get this thing? Simplify simple template. Is this being... Did this just get squashed? Gotta check it. If it's being squashed, it's easy. Let's see. Merged commit. Okay, this is squashed. What's the parent? So if I go to this commit, I can just take the old version of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check out to that commit. Now, if you look at the simple one, you see that it consists of many files now. This is the old version. I'm gonna move it to a temporary directory here. Info exclude. Let me exclude that directory from Git. This is a good trick if you don't want to like add stuff to git ignore, but you can still like exclude things. Simple, copy that to here. Alright, so now go back to main. Alright, now we kind of extracted that directory from the git history. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it back here, but I'm gonna rename this to custom event. What is this actually? What this should be called? Like, I'm not sure. There's an issue. I can just take a look at the issue. Bring back the old templates. The code is split in modules that makes it work with, especially when application code is growing, having control of the app, terminal settings, and a drawing loop. Yeah. Okay, so now simple template is doing some event handling, right? If you look at it here in the app, I really hate these UI errors, man. Oh my god, just get out of my face. I cannot see my code here. Okay, thank you. And it takes like a long time to just disappear. So yeah, the on key event. So this is only handling the key events here. But in the simple template that I just extracted from that commit, is doing some custom events. Yeah. Terminal events. So it's not actually a simple template now. It's more like, yeah, you know what I mean. Maybe rename this to, I don't know. Anybody has any idea about this? Like, one of them is a simple template. It's called simple, and this one is like more involved. It has some custom event handling. It has a number of modules and so on. So what this should be called? Any ideas? It's not like complex. It's not like, yeah. Simple, maybe custom events. It's hard. Naming is the hardest part here. But yeah, okay. Yeah, starter. Starter might be a good one. Yep. But like, which one do you use? Like, you kind of getting into it, and let's say you run the cargo generate command. You get like a couple of options. What are these errors? And one of them is simple, and the other one is starter. You probably go with the starter, which is not like simple, you know. Maybe simple. No. Starter, custom. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with custom events, I think. Simple, minimal, and new one is starter. Yeah. You're saying I gotta change the, let's change the simple to minimal. Then what is the hello world one? Yeah, not sure. I don't think I'll change the simple one because people might be already using that, and we kind of mashing that in the docs. So yeah, I don't think it's possible to change that one. But okay, let me see. Let me copy the simple one and call it like custom events. What? Okay, just do it in the terminal. Simple. Your name is the hardest part of this line of work. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Template. Just remove this one. Move this one over here. Cargo toml. Oh my god. How do I even disable these? Okay, you dismiss notifications. Toggle notifications. Can you guys see that? Yeah, toggle notifications. All right, I don't want to get notifications here now. Custom events. Custom events template. This template will create the following project structure. Cool. Wait, I'm editing the wrong file here. I gotta edit this one. Yeah. Project name. Ratatui custom events template. Again, I should also like copy the readme from here. This template. This template will create the following project structure. Design choices. I'm gonna get to that in a second. But let me see the code. Alright. So let me just show it to you. Custom events. Cargo run. Yeah, I need to generate it first. It's a bit bad though. Like, I just want to like do some coding in here. Why I cannot do that? Use bin option. Available binaries. Oh, I gotta add it to the cargo toml here. Generated. Yeah, it's not. Yeah. Okay, just add custom events here. Whatever. Failed to read cargo toml. Damn, this is annoying. Maybe I should just generate it then. And just backport the changes. Let me just do that. I gotta update the... Gotta update the just file too. Generate custom events. Simple generated. No. Custom events generated. Custom events, and name is going to be just custom events generated, right? All right, let's just generate custom events. Yep, I gotta use a dash here. Failed. Right now generated. Let's see. Custom events generated. Run it. Let's see what's gonna happen. We have a counter. All right. The idea here is I'm basically gonna go ahead and add a custom event to this, because now we have the terminal events and stuff like that, but that's not enough here. So let's just do that. And what's the name of this project again? Like, it's generating it, but like, what was the name? I didn't even check. Name custom events generated. All right, so let me just go to this directory for the sake of not getting lost in my neo tree. Custom events generated. We're not even importing anything from librs. We don't even have a librs. Okay, that's fine then. I can just freely do stuff here. That's cool. So TUI-rs, first of all, TUI.rs, we can just get rid of that. Just delete it. Just leave. We don't need this. Boom. Gone. You might be asking, why am I deleting this? Am I crazy? Yes. We don't need it. Just delete that module. I just want to simplify it, okay? Alright, TUI new. And also, we don't need that too. So remove that. Cross-term backend, remove that. Let mute terminal. Ratatui init. Alright. I don't want to unwrap here. Terminal draw. Ratatui restore. Yep. Mutable app. What is this doing? We probably want to... What is the draw call here? What the hell? Render. Alright, I see what this is doing. I'm gonna actually go ahead and do something like this. Import widget for app. Alright, just implement it. Come on. And in here, just add a comment there, and also this. I'm just gonna go ahead and do something like this. Oh man, this could be just simplified a lot. I just realized. Remove these things. Let paragraph. Let block. Okay. This can be also just cyan, or maybe let's just keep it that way. Paragraph. Paragraph, not paragraph. Paragraph. That's self counter. Okay. I made an app in Ratatui and it works fast. That's great to hear. What did you build? Ground color black. Alright. We got that. Now all I gotta do is just app. No. How do we actually do that? Frame render widget app and frame area. Yep. App is moved. What you mean? Just make it move then? Nope. Nope. What is this? Okay, interesting. Dude, just why? Clone. Okay, implement clone, but I don't want to implement clone on this. Always used after move. Oh, just use like a reference, right? Just use a reference to the app. Yeah. All good? All good. Run it. Same thing. Works fine still. But we kind of deleted a whole ass module from this, okay? Not a whole module, but a whole ass module, because it was a big one. The app is very ethically steals data from online dictionaries, so I may not open their clunky websites now. Dude, I like that. It's a great idea. Love it. Great stuff. But yeah. Description sounds a bit like illegal though. Don't get me wrong, I'm not like condoning any kind of stealing in this live stream. Transistor, can you just post the guidelines for this stream? Thank you. Because we need some guidelines here. Like you know the guidelines, so just some rules. I don't know. Just post them in the chat. Thank you. If you're around, of course. If you're not around, I don't know what am I talking about. Okay, let's just get the color error thing. Get out of my face, error. Okay, I gotta learn the key binding for just ignoring that now. What is the key binding for ignoring that? U and holy shit, so many options here. Okay, color error install. Let's just install it. Okay, the rules, everybody. Rules. Please just adhere to this rules while you're watching the stream, okay? First one is the grind Second one is don't stop and just keep grinding. Thank you for posting that, Transistor. Love you, man. Alright. I just copied something, yeah. I just copied this thing. What is app results? Let me just remove that. Let's use just the color air result here. Yeah, app result. We don't need that. Get out. Color air result. Impl app. Let's just implement this on the app too. Mute self key event. Alright. Self quit, self increment counter, self whatever. Alright, main RS, what happened here? There's no app result now. Still the panic handler. It might complain about reference stuff. Oh, it didn't. Okay then. Color air. Do you write your own macros here? No. And is that a question to me? I guess yeah. No. But why? Why did you ask that? Entry point of the application. Because I'm curious if anything that I did made you curious about macros. I don't know why did you think that way. Just curious, like I said. Okay, main. Restore. Just return that, maybe. It's not a result though. Yeah, okay. Alright, UI. All good. All good. I just gotta gotta add a new event here. Increment. Decrement. Custom events. Custom increment event. Custom decrement event. Okay. Alright. What is this dead code? Alright, we're gonna handle those two. Alright, let's just do them. Fill. App increment counter. App decrement counter. There you go. These stuff I'm not gonna. Or actually, let's do something like this. Event handler. And here, we're gonna send the event. So, I think it's TX or something like that, or sender. Yeah. All right, sender. So sender. Send event increment. There you go. Right, left. Decrement. Alright. Notice you have C and uppercase C for exiting. Gets relic C and C in Russian in the same case, so mmap key code. Oh, what? Damn, it looks like the same character. Wow. That's crazy. And did you actually like send the like actual characters to the chat? Because they all look like C to me. I didn't know that. Wow. Right, main RS. We're gonna send the event handler here. Event handler. What? Oh, I gotta rename this now. Event handler. Value borrowed. No. No. Okay. I can just use a reference. Use a reference. Boom. Handler is not being used. Okay, we can just drop that then. Alright, and instead of this next call, I can do like receiver. What was that thing again? I just deleted the code. Oh my god. Gotta find it again. Alright, let's just. Oh, not here. In the event thing. What was the method called? Receive. Not even receive. It's like rec v. I don't like incomplete variable names. I don't know if you guys agree with me here, but like rec v is not great. But okay, then whatever. Handler is not. What? Just because. Why do we actually have a reference to that? Okay, interesting. Sender and sender clone. Sender cloned. Okay, I'm gonna just do something like this here. Sender cloned, I guess. Just for the sake of making this simpler and less indentation, please. C, yeah, exactly the same. I wish you could just read index the key. Like in JavaScript. Cross-term does not support it. Index the key. Maybe there's a function for it. I don't know. Key code. Do they have a index or something? No, it's just an enum. So yeah, sorry. I guess that won't work. But you can like you can use a char. Like this is a char, right? This is a char. So you can use like the index or like the integer value of the char for more more control. I don't know. Does it make sense? I'm just gonna return a color air results self here actually. Oh, this in thread, so okay, that's fine. All right. Okay, I guess I'm done with this one. Let me see if it's still running. Yeah, it's still running. Cool. So, okay, let's start documenting it now. First of all, oh, it's a generated one. Okay. First of all, I gotta move this source files into the actual template. So remove that and move stuff here. Right. And maybe just regenerate it. I hope I won't lose my progress here because it's gonna delete the directory. Maybe let me just keep it safe, okay? Git stash. Yes, I'm a pussy. I'm a pussy. You can just say it. I'm a pussy. I'm just gonna stash things and keep a backup, okay? stash stash all, stash apply. All right, just a little safe play here, okay? And just generate custom events. Okay, what happened? Is it still running? Most importantly. Alright, it's still running, cool. And this custom events thing though, I gotta remove the tweet RS because I removed that one. Alright. Design choices. Let's do the boring work now. We have a... What do we have? We have an app struct that holds the logic. The widget implementation for this struct lives in UI module and is responsible for rendering the UI. The most crucial part of the application is the event module, which defines a creates. What do we have in the event thing? An enum and event handler. Okay, I should be back now. The usual disconnection issue at the 40th minute of the live stream happened again. Nothing new. Let me just refresh my tab here. Alright. Okay, the most crucial part of the application is the event module, which contains the event enum and event handler struct. The event handler struct creates a R in Rust is for all. Oh man. Absolutely. Creates a spawns a new thread and listens for the events using MPS channels. We don't have a librs here. I can just remove that one too. App, event handler, main, and UIRS. Okay, cool. Okay, what else do I have? And these events are passed to the handler module, which based on the event. That's not the case, by the way. That's not the case. We're not passing anything here. Are we? We should probably do that. Okay, whatever. We can just leave it like that. The events are... The key events are handled separately in the handler module. This way you can extend the event and include more events. Good, more custom events. Okay, that's cool. Alright, UI. I think this is like Val commented, so I'm just gonna skip that. Toggle notifications, okay? I just want to toggle them, I don't care. Notifications on, off, just turn it off. The funny thing is, I don't get a notification when I turn off the notifications, because I turn them off. So yeah, I guess they are just turned off now. Alright, create an event handler. State of the app. Send a increment event on the right arrow. Alright, that's cool. You can extend. Yeah, it's cool. Terminal event handler. I guess that's it. This should be in good shape now. I hope. Let me just generate it again. See the event here. App. Why do you borrow app when impl widget? Is it for security, like you only have this implementation on borrowed app so you don't actually accidentally move it? The reason why I borrow it is because in the main I need to borrow it, otherwise I cannot use it later on here. So here it's being borrowed and being sent to the render widget call. That's why you need to use a reference, and then in the event handler I'm using it here again. So that's basically the reason. But you can like probably yeah, it's in a loop too. You gotta remember that it's running in a loop, so you have to borrow it, otherwise you cannot use it, sadly. But yeah, it's not security, but it's a like interesting thing to think about. Yeah. All right. Terminal events. We're gonna remove the cargo toml entry here. All right. I'm wondering if I should use the template variables somewhere in the template, because I don't use them right now. Source main. Let me see. I guess that's fine for now. Alright, get new chore feed custom event template. Read custom events. Read add custom events templates. Do I need to update README for this? Let me see. I guess no. Each one has their own README anyways. Yep. Okay, now I wanna update this simple async template because now, you know, this simple async one is just the async version of the custom events template, not the async version of the simple template. You know how it is. So features in Tokyo. Alright, let's just fix that now, because yeah, I guess only thing that I need to change here, not the only thing, but let me actually just refresh this. Simple async. Let me actually change this one. So handler should change. No, not the handler, but event. Yeah, this is now using Tokyo stuff, so this should change. Also maybe this one. No, not really. Okay, this should change. And in app, is there anything async related? Nope. 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 Okay, so just delete this. Copy the simple custom events generated one here. Change the entry point. This is getting very confusing, but bear with me, okay? Simple async generated main, and I gotta take a look at this main. Okay, so this should be Tokyo main now. Oh, I don't have a dependency on color air. Right. Let me just add that. Alright, let me just try to find it. Where are you? Okay, color air. Oh my god, this is confusing. I'm trying to log in right now, otherwise I'm just gonna confuse myself. Simple async generated. Okay, there you go. Can I just see the source, please? Name of him. Okay, thank you. Main. Alright, just close everything. Just give me main. And give me main from here. Okay, just change it to async main. Oh my god, notifications. Get out. Tokyo main. Yep. Async. Okay. What else? We gotta update the events. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing. Not this module. Oop. But in the event module, just paste it. Remove the handler. Unbounded receive what? What do you mean? What do I need to import here? Just import these things, I guess. Just import these and hope that will work. No. Okay, I'm really confused now. 1 second. Alright, let me just take a step back here. Unbounded center. What? Tokyo. Oh, we gotta enable a feature on cross term. Well, it's already enabled. So what's the issue? What's the issue? Just make it public. Okay, I gotta just run this. I'm lost. Oh, it's using sync module, that's why. Gotta use the Tokyo one. Okay. Next is not found. Fuse. What is fuse? But anyways. Handler, we don't need that. Just remove this handler thing. Oops. Okay, app result. This should be color here. Result. Into diagnostic. Or something like that. I remember something like that in the color layer. Color layer. Into something. Into. Okay, I don't know. Oh, it's an IO error. No, I don't want an IO error. I just want to like this. Oh, come on. Okay, let me actually see what's going on here. What is the receive returning? It's an option. Wait, my headphones just died. Give me a second. My headphones are not grind compliant. They just like quit on me now. Anyways, we are back. Let me just yeah, let's do that. What is the macro? Is it air? Also, what is this music? Nobody's complaining about the music, so I guess it was fine, but Raycore mix for harmony. It has an anime girl in the cover, so I guess that's a good sign. Well, let's see. Headphones charge is grinding out. Absolutely. Well, this is a macro, so why are you complaining? This is a macro. I mean, come on. Okay, this is very annoying. Just use air then. What is this thing? Oh my god. Oh, it's air and air. It's a bit weird, but okay. What's the name of the song now? The genre is probably rally music. It is this mix. Is it working now? Oh, I gotta wait the event. Oh, what am I doing? What the hell? This function returns a result, and this is returning what? An option? Okay. Wait, this isn't wrong. Just next. Wait. That mutable event handler. No worries. Okay, I guess that's that. Okay, let's run it to see if it's working. Okay, it's working. So now we have a async version of the custom events template. So it's gonna be called custom events async, and I'm gonna yeah, okay. Let me actually see the docs for the simple async. This is identical to the custom events template. Custom events template, but as async as out of the box with Toki and cross terms event stream. Okay, that's good. That should be enough actually. So source, I gotta update this source files, right? Yeah, just gonna copy the stuff that we have worked on into the template, also the cargo toml. Yeah, remove these things. These things. Yep. License should stay. Okay, GitHub workflows are the same. Okay, this should be good now. Let's see. I'm gonna add another entry to just file. Generate custom events. Generate custom events async. Just complete it, autopilot. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna just cut this to here. Can I just exit, please? Okay. I'm back here. I'm just gonna generate custom as async. Okay, gotta create a directory. Generate what? Custom events async generated. Generated. What? Oh, where am I creating these directories? I am stupid. Alright. Why did I delete simple async generated though? But anyways, let's just generate it. Okay, going in here, let's run it. Seems to be working fine, that's cool. Okay. I'm just gonna bring back the simple async generated. And just commit the async version of the generated template. Generate custom events async. Custom events async generated. I don't like this, the name of the template, to be honest. But yeah, it's fine for now. We can just talk about it later, I guess. Alright. Okay, let's commit this custom events async template. Okay, now last thing, I gotta update the simple async template, but make it like simple. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the simple template, simple async 2 for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and cargo toml simple async generated. Like these names are a bit weird. Cross term. Gotta add cross term and Tokyo probably. Let's see. Cross term, Tokyo features. I'm not sure about features. I'm just gonna leave it out. I'm gonna go to main rs. Make this async. Come on, get out. I cannot see my code. Of course it's failing because it's a template. Stupid Nelvim. Async FM main. Tokyo main. Okay, let's go to async 2. This is not gonna work because it's yeah, wait a second. Simple async 2. Simple async 2. Generated 2. Let's just do that for now. Just generate simple async 2. Okay. I'm just waiting for this to build. A bunch of emails. Alright, color air. Did I not include that here? Okay, I gotta just include that now. Simple template, cargo toml, color air. Just put it in there. change this to async. Okay, run it. It's still running for some reason. Weird. But it's not doing async event handling, right? I don't think it's doing that. Let me see how we do that in the simple async generator. Oh my god, so many templates. I'm getting so confused over here. Okay, event stream. So the idea is, I think, make everything async. So the run method should be async. Async. Okay, we made it async. Now we gotta handle the cross-term events in the async manner. Let me see how's that being done. We gotta search for event stream, I think. Event stream. Is there any examples? Come on. Maybe there's a async example in here. Event stream Tokyo, there you go. Okay. Reader new. Should I add it to the abstract? I'm not sure. Let me just add it to the abstract. But I mean, it's a state, so it's not a part of the. It's not part of the event handling, right? But I mean, what's the other option? Event stream. Let me just add it here. Event stream. Event stream. Okay. Self default. What is the default for this? Is this just new? Wow. The default is just a bunch of stuff. I guess that's just new. Okay, that's just new. Alright, that's fine. It creates a new thread in the default implementation. That's just crazy, but alright. Okay, that's fine. Do we have a delay in this? Other templates? I guess no. Tick delay. No, we don't have a delay. Alright, then we're gonna just do select. Tokyo select, yeah, just do Tokyo select then. Where's the code? Alright, here. We're gonna do a little bit of a Tokyo select. Next is not found. Why? Is it like let mute reader next fuse? What? What the hell? Oh, futures. Okay, sure. Just need futures. I don't know why futures is not a part of Tokyo. But at this point it should be, I guess, because like it's just, yeah, you kind of like need it most of the time. Maybe like, I don't know, re-export it. I don't know. I don't want to like speak for the Tokyo maintainers. Maybe they have a good reason for not doing that. They probably have a good reason. I'm just talking shit. I'm just the guy talking shit on the internet, so what are you gonna do? But okay, just added that. LSP restart, please. Thank you for the suggestion. Do I need to do a fuse here? Yeah, I guess I need to do a fuse. Just do a little bit of a fuse. There's no fuse. Okay, now we have a fuse. And is that it? Let's try it out. Let's run it. Seems to be working fine, so alright. I don't like this long ass line though. It's like not great. Maybe I can just split it like that. Kinda better, but still bad. The problem about this this Tokyo Select block is that it's a macro. That's because that's why it's not being formatted with Cargo FMT. So you can do all kinds of crazy like formattings in there, like this one. Cargo FMT won't care about it. It's a macro, so yeah, it's a bit bad. But anyways, yeah, that's that, I guess. Let me just copy this code into the async one. Template, source, also cargo terminal 2. Alright, gotta copy that. Boom. And I can remove this one. Simple async. Template. Let me actually copy the readme of this. Oh wow, okay. Let me not do that. Main simple async. We are very close to finishing this up. Don't worry. I got you. Custom events generated async. I'm just gonna go here. Template. Copy that line. Put it into this little readme over here. Oh. Okay. To the simple. Oh, I didn't copy the rest of this. God damn it. God damn it. Gotta copy the whole line. Alright, copy that. Okay. This Unicode issue is still there, so let me just fix that. Unicode, Unicode, Unicode. Alright, copy that thing, put it over there, close that one. Alright, simple. This is identical to the simple template, but it's seeing async events out of the box with that. Alright, so now I can just remove simple async generated. Also simple async. I remove this to simple async. We're getting a bunch of errors. I love it. And generate the simple async template. Simple async. Alright, what happened? Did we nail it or did I just break everything? Let's see. Seems fine. Everything seems fine so far. Alright, let me just run it to see it for myself. Simple async generated. Run it. What? Okay, something has failed. In the cargo tunnel, I probably just need to reset everything here. So, or yeah, all right, should be good now. Simple async generated. Run it. All right, we have an async template now. It's a simple one too. It's not very simple, but whatever. Alright. I'm just gonna commit this. Let's see. A quick review. Oh, I need to update the just file. I'm gonna remove this placeholder. Yep. Alright, let's see now. Placing generated. Okay. Refactor simple async. Use the async version of the simple template. Oh man, so many changes. But I like the end result. It's like more consistent. So nice. Hello world. Custom events async. Okay. Let me see how this looks like. Cargo generate and hello world simple async component. Where are the other ones? Cargo generate toml. Oh yeah, I gotta add them to here. Simple async. Custom events. Custom events async. Can you format this maybe? Okay, thank you. Alright, let's try it again. Cargo generate. Now we have hello world, simple async, custom events async, and component. That's cool. Alright, let's do that. Cargo generate. Add new templates to the config. Where's my cursor, by the way? It just disappeared. Let me just reset my terminal. Okay, it's back. Alright. Let's create a PR now. Add custom event templates. and okay. Adds to new templates. I think it fixes this issue. Also refactors the simple async template to use the async version of the simple template. Consistency. Alright. Boom. Oh my god, look at this. 2000 lines added and 2000 lines removed. Damn. PS, I'm not sure about the naming of the... Let me know if you have a... Let me actually update the body of the PR. Alright, that's that. Oh, I gotta update the GitHub Actions too. Damn. Okay, let's do that. Build component. Build simple. You just gotta like... Yeah, it's not great. Just the same code, but like... Just copy paste it. Okay, guys. Refactoring tip. Just take your GitHub Actions file. ChatGPT, paste it. Refactor this GitHub Actions workflow to use a matrix. There you go. Easy. Copy. You all heard of Cascade coding library released by IBM? I don't know what that is. What does it do? Alright. Is this correct? Can we generate action? Can we generate action name template arguments? So Rust toolchain cargo check. Oh, what did I do? Cargo check. Let me try to paste this directly. I gotta just copy this part. There you go. Okay. Why cargo check and not Clippy? Clippy also runs cargo check, right? I'm not sure. Maybe, yeah, maybe that's a good idea. But I'm gonna just stick to what we had before for now. Maybe I can do it in another commit. Simple async. Hello world. Custom events. Customize async. Async. Okay, that should be good. Factor CI user build matrix and include all templates. Push. Alright, it's building everything now. That's cool. Component, customs, custom, bands, async, hello, simple async, simple. Where is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Cascade library gives access to API that interacts with IBM quantum compute. What? You gotta run some tweaks on some quantum computers, man. Gotta happen. What can you do with the API, bro? Can you run tweaks? I'm just pouring some water, sorry. I just like have this 5 liters bottle over here. It's not a bottle, but whatever. Alright, everything is built fine, it seems. I gotta request review from Josh. Oh, he already wow, okay. Okay. Yeah, we can probably just do them. Yeah. I'll just take a look at the comments later. Add Ratzilla template for building web applications. Add web template. Let's add a template that uses Zilla to quickly generate a web application. /web application. Yep. Labels. Enhancement. create. Okay. You can probably address the review on this one now. Alright, what is this? Simple generated source main. Okay, simple main. Just remove the comments. This ensures that the error is displayed in a user-friendly way. That the errors are displayed. Save. Yep. Maybe that's not a really just useful comment. Entry point of the application. Here we are, yeah. Yeah, okay, I see the point. It doesn't really make sense to add any comments here. Okay, whatever. Simple readme. How do I run a formatter here? Okay, maybe run your formatter. Push the changes. Oh, he means that you gotta like wrap here. Oh, okay, never mind then. Just remove it. Gotta just do it like manually, I guess. I really need a formatter here, otherwise it's just a bit difficult. Just finished watching your Ratatouille thing with Code Maven, so good. More of that type, everything is needed. Oh, that's great to hear, Javier, thank you. I also like enjoyed that type of walkthroughs with somebody that, you know, somebody doesn't know much about Ratatouille. It's like the first entry to the library, and like it's great to like see their reaction and like stuff like that. It's fun for me as well. So yeah, maybe we should do that more. Yeah. Thank you for the feedback. I'd love to see one playing for Tachyon effects. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe part 2. It's really Tachyon effects is a fun library. So yeah. It's not that hard, by the way. It's a bit like, at first it's like, you know, get familiar with its API, the effects and stuff like that. But yep. Do you suggest that we rename this to render? Okay, that should be enough. Generate simple. Grind is still so real, absolutely. Look at me, grinding. How are you doing, Lucas? What's poppin'? Address the review feedback. Looks simple. Update comments. How are you doing, guys? Hopefully grinding your gears off. Always. Okay, that's that. The other PR is so big though, like it's, yeah, might take some time for Josh to review that one. Have you guys ever felt like, while reviewing a PR and you trust the person, you're like, okay, I trust you, I'm gonna not do a very detailed review and just merge it. Have you ever just felt that? For me, it happened with a couple of cases where the refactoring is so big that you just gotta trust the person. So yeah, I tried some Turkish stuffed onions recipe and it is amazing. Turkish stuffed onions, yeah, that's nice, bro. Post it in the cooking channel in Discord. I want to see that. I'm curious now. If you ever like took a picture of it. The look good to me method, this is why we need more tests though. Yeah. Yep. Usually nothing happens, but yeah, it's not like very safe, so to speak. Classic. Why is it like taking forever to load? But anyways, I think I'm done with the templates for now. Just gonna wait for the reviews, and then I can add the other like templates basically. Let me see what happened. In the meantime, basically checking my emails, notifications. There's one PR on the raster paste. What happened there? Let's see. Glitchy fixed exclude argument. For a while now, two links run into timeout sporadically. I excluded apology from the check. Additional record in the glitchy documentation. The exclude argument should be enclosed in single quotes. I will sync skip. Okay. Let's. Okay, let's do a glitchy ignore config because this is not looking great. This is a bit ugly, but yeah. Alright. What else happened in the meantime? I'm just now adding an empty line to the changelog for each release, which is not great. I don't like it that much, but yeah. Okay. Let me take a look at this PR again. This PR and that PR and that issue. This is my life now. This is my life. I'm not complaining. Don't get me wrong. But like it's a bit of too much sometimes. Feel like okay, too many open source things, and need sponsors. So please sponsor. Is my moderator still watching though? I think he just left. Is he still here? Moderator, mods. Let me just summon him. I'm not sure if he's still here. Freaking YouTube chat is not great. I don't see who's like watching and stuff. I don't see the participants. I just like, okay, participants who are participating. It just shows the people in the chat. Okay, that's fine then. Whatever. Yeah, I don't care. That's a. Okay. This is how you review. You just like scroll really fast and just say okay 20 times. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Just throw in some other words in there too. Like it's fine and looks good to me and stuff like that. Yeah, looks good to me. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, it's fine. Alright, whatever. Great stuff. Thanks. Feed changelog, feed config, add require conventional option. Great. Close another issue. Oh, some discussion happening here. Alright guys, give me a second, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, I think I'm done for today. I'm just, yeah. Lots of progress happened. Lots of grinding happened. So good session, guys. 2 hours. 2 hours, 2 PRs. Quite grindy evening for me. So yeah. I guess thanks everyone for tuning in. And yeah, I'll see you around. I'm just gonna try to stream more regularly now since I'm not sick anymore. Gotta just get back on the streaming schedule and yeah, do some fun stuff, you know. So yeah, I guess thanks and I'll see you around. Goodbye.